Merging two separate projects in Canva is actually a really straightforward process once you know the right trick. First, open your web browser, head over to the Canva homepage, and open up the first project containing the pages you want to move. Once your project loads, look down at the very bottom right corner of your screen and click on the View Grid option. This is going to lay out all of your design pages side by side. From here, simply click on the specific page you want to merge into your other project. If you want to select multiple pages at once, just hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking on them. Once you have your selection highlighted, right-click on the page and select Copy from the drop-down menu, or you can just use the standard keyboard shortcut. Next, we need to head over to your second project. Navigate back to your dashboard and open the main project where you want everything to end up. Similarly, look down at the bottom right corner of this second project window and click on the View Grid icon again. Now, simply click in the empty space right after your last design page. Right-click and choose Paste. All of your copied pages from the first project will instantly appear right there, in line with your current design. The important thing to keep in mind is that while this brings over all your text, images, and layouts perfectly, any specific background, music, or page transitions you applied in the original project might need to be set up again manually. Now you can easily rearrange the new pages by dragging and dropping them into whatever order works best for your new master layout. When you are completely happy with how the pages flow together, you can just click the grid view icon one more time to exit the layout screen and go back to your standard editing workspace. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.